Good morning, friends. This is CA Sarup Ghosh from Stock Show Deck. Welcoming you all. Now, most of the people are requesting me that I give analysis on Nifty, but they do trade on Bank Nifty also. So today I have decided to only restrict myself to Bank Nifty analysis. So before you move into the market, my suggestion is that you should ask three valid questions to yourself before the trade starts at 9:15. Supposing if you are having a position, then you should first ask, if the price goes down from that, what will you do? If the price goes sideways or stalls, what will you do? And what will be your strategy if the price goes in your favor, that is, moves in your direction? These are the three questions, the answer of which should be ready with you, so that you do not fumble when actual action starts at 9:15. So on the Bank Nifty part, if you see, Bank Nifty has actually recovered a lot, but is this recovery sustainable? That's the questions we need to ask. See, if you are actually seeing this chart, these do not have any indicator whatsoever. This is a naked Bank Nifty spot chart. We have drawn, this is a bull trap line. This is a bull trap line, the red one. That is, today Bank Nifty closed at 21,338, right? So from 21,338, Bank Nifty highest point is actually 21,467, which actually resisting on a bull trap zone. So therefore I am expecting a reversal of Bank Nifty from this level, while this particular level is a super resistance for Bank Nifty, which is around 22,000 level. I would say 22,000 level. This is a super resistance level of Bank Nifty. So upside is limited, but downside is possible. Now at this moment, Bank Nifty, as I said, it is resting on a strong previous resistance zone to a zone of support, but it is not sustainable unless there is a huge volume and breakout above this level. So this line appears to me a bull trap line. So I am expecting Bank Nifty to come down. Forget about the news of Galavan, what is happening with China at the border, or the COVID-19 issues. We are technical analysts, therefore we will only stick to our technical analysis. So this is overall view of Bank Nifty for Monday's trade. Now let's move to how did we trade with our existing setup. Now on 19th, that is Friday, Bank Nifty has actually gapped up and we did nothing. Even if we have got a reversal sign here, it was not with a diamond dot, so we have not traded here. So it has started giving us a bullish signal. So once we get a good back-to-back two diamond dots, right? So we get two back-to-back diamond dot, that's an alert, and this is an additional confirmation that it's a pink candle. This is our special candle, with a pink candle arriving with a huge at the juncture of diamond dot. It's a good bullish setup and nobody can beat us. So to be more safer, I actually entered here at this level, so above high of this candle. And once, why? Because I have actually at that time I moved into a green zone. Okay, it has started after green zone has started, and this actually green zone has started from here, this particular level, right? So once we are into a green zone, this is also our green zone, that road show, golden road is green, our this time frame analysis also says we are into a green zone here in this, in this particular zone. You see the green background up to this level. So that actually supplemented our confidence that we can take a bullish trade. So we entered the trade at about 21,120 level here, not in this candle, above this candle. And then we followed the trend, and then what happened? Suddenly at this particular level, Nifty turned down. Bank Nifty actually given a negative signal, and you can see some indecisive candles here and the consolidation. So we moved out at a level of 21,400 at this level. So after this struggle, I have decided to move out because we are entering into a red zone here. You can see the red zone. So it is very easy setup for us to understand. So how much did we make from one Bank Nifty lot size of 20, investment is about 1 lakh, and from 21,120 to 21,400, 21,120 plus 21,400 is we could capture 280 points. How much is the value? 20 lots is actually 5,600 rupees. How much was our investment? Investment was about 1 lakh. So how much did we make? About 5.6% in one trade, one day, and that too we have taken the trade around 11:05 and we exited the trade about 12:05. So in 1 hour. So don't you think it is good? And this is how our setup helps even a 10-year child to understand when to enter, when to exit. If you do not have any greed, you can fearlessly make money. This is a safe money which is good enough. Now if you have money, then you can take 2 lots, 3 lots, 4 lots, and actually if you increase your investment size, you can always do that. And if you have taken 1 lot here, you could have also taken 1 lot here. This is also in a green zone has started. If you look at this, the signal, this is also in green zone, this is also green zone has started. So therefore you could have taken, but I do not want to create a position and carry at this particular level, so I exited. But again, word of caution, Bank Nifty has to come down, and this basically is a bull trap zone, as we shown in our beginning of this video. So friends, this is how the Bank Nifty has to be analyzed, and then this is my view, and let's see how it works on Monday for you. So I will also give you certain levels of Bank Nifty for Monday. Now for me, the Bank Nifty is a buy above 21,300 for a target of 21,420, 21,550, and maybe if that crosses, then 21,700, and I will sell below 21,225 for a target of 20,970 or 20,800, because Bank Nifty for me is on bull trap. Every time I am repeating, and this particular level crossing is very difficult unless things changes dramatically. So stay tuned for this. Now how do you, if you want to be a part of this setup, I can give you the details of the courses. So we have couple of courses. We have total 5 courses. The basic course is SS1, where we actually teach you about key candlestick patterns, trading setup, stocks to ride, and trading rules you will be getting, so that it is very easy for you to really trade with these diamond dots. The cost is 25,000, and I also handhold with your learning. You have to give me homework. Why have you what trade you have taken, and if you are not able to do it properly, then I will rectify your mistakes. And total 3 days. It is very easy to trade, because once you see everything visually, there is nothing that you cannot do. Even 10-20-year-old child can do because they understand the signals. Now another course that we run is the option trading course, where I do not even discuss about implied volatility, open interest, delta, theta, gamma, Greeks. So therefore those things even I do not understand. So it's a regular income mode with less capital. So without these jargons, if you want to understand simple thing, option strategy is the best thing, and the course fees is 50,000. And for all the courses that I discuss, you will have great support, so that unless you succeed, I don't succeed. So don't worry about that. I have the SS3 course, which is a master course, which is actually the mother of all courses. And for any course, you don't need prior knowledge. We'll make you understand Fibonacci, price volume, then 8-9 patterns. You will understand Bollinger Band volatility, because these days volatility is the key issue. And so therefore this course is very, very good course, and if you know this course, it encompasses everything. And then if you want to be a good good trader, this course is a must. So it's up to you. In the fourth course, we actually give you price action, volume, candlesticks patterns, Bollinger Band, and gap trading. In these days, one day suddenly, gaps are very common, gap up, gap down. How do I do? The trade has gone at 9:15. I am not getting any chance. So therefore, all these things are all taken care of in this particular course. And this course will cost you 25,000 and support as usual. And the mother of all course, other than Fibonacci course, is the bull trap. Catch bull trap and bear trap. Because these traps are there in every time frame: 5 minutes, 1 minute, 15 minutes, 1 hour, daily, weekly, monthly, everywhere there are traps. Higher the time frame, bigger is the trap. So therefore, it is very important for any trader to understand and identify the technique. Is very, very important. How to identify bull trap and bear trap, this is very important, and this is a very, very, very easy thing to do. Along with that, I also teach you Bollinger Bands and how to predict the market. Now, how will you know at this level the market will crash up to this? This does not happen from heaven. It was a pure technical analysis. At this level, what is the use if you come here and know that market has crossed this much? No. So therefore, to identify whether at this particular level there is going to be a crash or not, because the crash started from here, crash or not, how will you know? Those things, those solid technique, practical technique, we will be teaching in this course. So this is very important and is a must for every trader, and these things you will not find in any book. So this is a priced course. I normally with my all hard work we have learnt it. So these are the things you will not get in any books. And you also get the add-on key trading tools, which are mostly sold on package basis. But if you want to take screener, it's on a standalone basis. And if you have not taken our basic course, the cost would be 20,000, and this screener course covers about 70% of Nifty stocks, and it comes in the live market. And therefore, whenever our setup actually satisfies, like blue diamond, these diamond dots, automatically it will flash in your screen, and so that you can trade in a stock of Nifty stock of your choice. And if you are part of our basic program, the cost would be only 10,000. 50% discount here. You can also take a divergence. There are two types of divergence. So one is 5,000 rupees and 15,000 rupees. Two types of, this is basically advanced type of divergence, which is auto generated. You don't have to do anything. I'll make you understand how the divergence works and how to identify the trade, and that's it. And you will also get a magic area if you want, which is 3,000 rupees, and for which there is no support required. So in the entire program, you do not actually need a big support, other than the first 2-3 days, because everything is system generated, everything is online. Only I need to really explain how to manage the trade. That's all. So you only need to be a part of this setup. So if you want, friends, you can contact me at 91430 This is CA Saurabh Ghosh signing off from Stock Show Deck. Bye bye.